Hi, this is Manni Chopra here at the Caversham site, and there's been quite a lot of progress in the last couple of weeks, so let's go take a look. At the back you can see here the bricklayers are doing the front of the property, which is going to be mirror image of this one right here. So you can see when we did the planning, we made sure that the house actually was exactly as a street scene. Some of the rest of the houses don't have it, but this is right, next to the one here, and we're literally just following it through. So it's going to be a step here, and then you're going to have stairs going to the front door, as the brickies are actually doing right now. So that's all going ahead, and we're hoping that will be done by tomorrow. So let's take a look and see what's happening inside. Just a quick look outside as well. All the windows and doors are now in, and inside's going quite well as well. So let's see the progress. So here you can see outside has been, well, not flattened as such, but it's been taken away all the concrete from here, just getting it ready and base layering it for block paving. Again, these materials were also specified in the pre-commencement conditions, so we're just going for a sort of a grey tone of a block paving, brick stone effectively. And let's go inside. Here the level is going to be raised ever so slightly. Maybe up to half level, and I think you might be okay without a step, basically. So when you come in here, you can see there's a lot of work going on site. So there's a lot of materials and what have you. It's a live site. But here, you'll see the flooring is in. This is a luxury vinyl tile LVT, which is a click, and you install it. And bear in mind, in my previous video, you saw it was all electric heating. So no radiators needed here, but the plastering has been completed in all the rooms. Obviously, the kitchen has been ordered, and this is coming on site next Wednesday. We're hoping by next Wednesday the kitchen will be in as well. We've gone with a slim shaker, cashmere color, with chrome handles and sort of integrated appliances as well. If you turn around here, this side of the kitchen is going to be the dining area. So this is effectively the kitchen diner. So lots and lots of light, as you can see. So about 4 sets of windows, door, there's a roof light here as well. And that overlooks the back area here. And that's going to be, most of it is going to be paved. It's going to be block paved, and there's going to be a bit of no garden, but just like soil around the edging with some plantations and whatever. Again, we have to submit a soft landscape design plan, so you've got to make sure you put all these costs in your costings for the planning, because this is all you need: a soft landscape, a hard landscape plan, and all of these going with the planning application itself. Coming in here, you've got the cupboard here just for storage. Right here is going to be the air source heat pump right here, because this is an eco-build project. If you remember from previous videos, this is a timber frame. So air source heat pump, underfloor heating. So yeah, and then here this cupboard is going, this space under the staircase is going to be used quite well for the washing machine and the dryer, which if we can face it that way, then it's really good use of the space here. We have a look at this room here. Actually, there's some tiling going on here, so we won't. But if you quickly look here, this is the little office room downstairs. So there's 3 reception rooms downstairs. You've got the kitchen, a dining, and then you've got the living room. So just going past the cloakroom here, the tiles have all been done, and the bathroom suite will be installed sort of from next week. And here, this is a lovely sort of living room area. So 3 reception rooms downstairs, including the office. And let's go and take a look at upstairs. So coming in on the top of the stairs, we've got this lovely feature bedroom. Effectively, you see the ceiling height here is around 3 meters on the sort of tallest area of the ceiling. Again, fully plastered, electrics all done. The brushed chrome sockets are going to be in next week, so second fix is effectively in full force. and we're just trying to push to complete by the end of this month. Let's have a look and see what else has been happening. Right here, you've got bedroom 2. This is a small double. Again, we're going to try and maximize the space. We will probably have some wardrobes here. So this is a perfect sort of area for lovely wardrobe cupboards, because as you know, most home buyers, because obviously we're looking to sell this on straight away, will look for as much storage as they can possibly get in a house.